Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Curious Minds Kannada. In this video, we are going to learn about class 6th science chapter 2 diversity in the living world exercise question and answers. First, answer the following questions. First one, here are two types of seeds. What differences do you find among the roots and leaf venation of their plants? Answer is, the wheat plant have fibrous roots and leaves with parallel venation. The kidney bean plants have tap roots and leaves with reticulate venation. Second question. Names of some animals are given below. Group them based on their habitats. Write the names of aquatic plant animals in the area marked A and terrestrial animals in the area marked B. Enter the names of animals living in both habitats in part C. The animal names are horse, dolphin, frog, sheep, crocodile, squirrel, whale, earthworm, pigeon, tortoise. So A, B and C. A, that is aquatic animals, dolphin and whale. B, terrestrial, horse, sheep, squirrel, earthworm and pigeon. C, that is both habitats, frog and crocodile, tortoise. Third question. Manu's mother maintains the kitchen garden. One day she was taking out radish from the soil. She told me, "Know that radish is a kind of root. Examine a radish and write what type of root is. What type of venation would you observe when leaves of radish plant?" Answer. Radish has taproot system with reticulate venation. Fourth question. Locate the image of a mountain goat and goat found in the plains. Point out the similarities and differences between them. What are the reasons for these differences? Answer. First, similarities. Both are goats and belong to same family. Both are herbivores. Differences. Mountain goat has thick and long fur to protect against cold, whereas plain goat has shorter fur. Mountain goat generally muscular, plains goat usually linear body. Mountain goat specialized hooves with a rough texture for better grip on rocky surfaces. Plains goat hooves are suited for walking on flat lands. Fifth question. Group the following animals into two groups based on any features other than those discussed in the chapter. Cow, cockroach, pigeon, bat, tortoise, whale, fish, grasshopper, lizard. Answer. We can group these animals into two groups based on whether they have backbone or not. Animals which have backbone: cow, pigeon, bat, tortoise, whale, fish, lizard. Animals which do not have backbone: cockroach and grasshopper. Sixth question. As the population growth and people want more comfortable lives, forests are being cut down to meet various needs. How can this affect our surroundings? How do you think we can address this challenge? Answer. The loss of recent other vegetation due to cutting down of forest can cause climate change, loss of biodiversity, soil erosion and flooding. We can address the challenge by following method. Replanting the trees, putting a ban on cutting off trees. Seventh question. Analyze the flowchart, which can be examples of A and B. Flowchart is given here. Plants, yes. Does it have leaves? Yes. Does it have reticulate venation? If it is yes, then example will be hibiscus. If the answer is no, then answer B will be grass. Eighth question. Raj argues with his friend Sanjay that Guldal, that means hibiscus plant is a shrub. What questions can Sanjay ask for clarification? Answer. What is the nature of its stem? What is height of the plant? Is stem of hibiscus plant woody? Ninth question. Based on the information in the table, find out examples of this plant for each group and answer to question. First question. What other similarities do plants of group A have? Answer. Plants of group A have reticulate venation. B question. What other similarities do plants of group B have? Plants of group B have parallel venation. If we see example, group A, type of seed is dicot, type of root is taproot, so example is green gram. Group B, type of seed is monocot, type of root is fibrous, example rice or wheat. 10th question. Observe the labeled part of a duck in the picture given below. What differences do you observe in the feet of duck compared to the other birds? Which activity would the duck be able to perform using this part? Answer. Ducks have webbed feet which are different from the feet of other birds like pigeon. Ducks use their webbed feet to move easily in the water. So these are the answers given for the questions in your NCERT textbook. Now we will see some extra questions. First main, fill in the blanks. First question. Variety of plants and animals are part of dash. Answer. Biodiversity. Second question. Plants and animals can be grouped on the basis of dash and dash among them. Similarities and differences. Third question. The method of arranging things into groups based on their common features is called dash. Answer is grouping. Fourth question. Plants can be grouped into dash, dash and dash. Answer. Herbs, shrubs and trees. Fifth question. The place where plants and animals live is their dash. Answer. Habitat. Second main, state true or false. First question. Animals living on land are called as aquatic animals. False. Second, monocot plants generally exhibit parallel venation. True. Third one. Seeds having two cotyledons are called dicotyledons. True. Fourth one. The fish move in water with the help of fin. True. Fifth one. The leaf with reticulate venation has fibrous root system. False. Third main, match the following. I have matched the correct answers already. First one, hibiscus, shrub. Second, grass, parallel venation. Third, monocot, corn. Fourth, camel, desert. Fifth, amphibian, frog. Fourth main, answer the following questions. First question. What is biodiversity? Answer. The variety of plants and animals found in a particular region is called biodiversity. Second question. Classify the given plants into herbs, shrubs and trees. Rose, tomato, hibiscus, neem, mango, tulsi. Answer. Herbs, tomato, tulsi. Shrubs, rose, hibiscus. Trees, neem, mango. Third question. What is venation? Write the two types of venations. Answer. The pattern of veins on the leaf is called venation. The types of venations are reticulate venation, parallel venation. Fourth question. Name the types of root and give an example each. Answer. Types of roots are taproot, example hibiscus. Fibrous root, example grass. Fifth question. Write the differences between monocotyledon and dicotyledon plants. Answer. Monocotyledons, plants that have seeds with one cotyledon. Dicotyledon, plants that have seeds with two cotyledons. Monocotyledon, they have fibrous root. Dicotyledon, they have taproot. Monocotyledon leaves have parallel venation. Dicotyledon leaf has reticulate venation. Monocotyledon example maize. Dicotyledon example chickpea. Sixth question. Define adaptation. Answer. The special features that enable plants and animals to survive in a particular region are called adaptation. Seventh question. List the features that help camels to survive in the desert. Answer. Camel of the hot desert has long legs with wide hooves. They have hump to store food. Excrete small amount of urine. Their dung will be dry. They don't sweat. So these are the answers for the questions given in NCERT textbook, and also I have made some extra questions which will be helpful for you all. If yes, please do like our channel, share our video, and if you have not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.